Hello students, welcome to Uncle. Good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How is the revision going on at your end?
तो चल रहा है.
I'm asking apart from this discussion that we are having every day in the evening, apart from that, how much hours you are devoting? You should devote at least 3 hours daily, at least. I don't know how much you are doing now. So this digital part was remaining. So I will straight away discuss the questions. So in order to save the time, today I have pasted all the questions. So it will save our time because we have to discuss solid state physics part also. So this one is from Iit Jam 2006 and we have to identify the truth table for the given circuit. No need to note down the question, just solve it and tell me the answer, okay? As all of you will be having the old questions now. No need to waste the time on noting down the question. Yes, very good, Arun. Yes, Rita, very good. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Durga, Himanshi, very good. Yes, Rishita. Very good, Abhay. So correct option is C. Let us see how. So this is J into K and this is J bar K. This is OR gate, so Q will be JK plus J bar K. Na? So Q should be identical to K. And that is possible only in this case. Na? In all other cases, Q is not equal to K. Na? They are entirely different, only in this case. So that's why C option is the answer. Please check everyone. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Second one. From Iit Jam 2007. Yes, Rita, very good. Yes, Durga, Rishita, Aditya, Jayashri, Abhay. Very good, everyone. Yes, Samruti Shri. So C option is the answer. So this is clearly a NAND gate. Na? There is no doubt about it. So this got eliminated. Okay. All of them got eliminated, na? In fact, because this is respectively. So first one should be NAND. Na? So this is also NAND. How? Let us suppose this is A and B. Then this will be A bar plus B bar. And according to De Morgan law, this will be AB bar, na? Which is nothing but NAND of A and B. Na?
Yes, sir.
So it is NAND NAND. Clear? Means bubbled OR. This is bubbled OR. So bubbled OR it behaves like a NAND gate. So you need to remember this. Similarly, bubbled AND behaves like bubbled
NOR
AND
gate.
behaves, yes, NOR gate. Next one. Every time one question is there from digital, and this is the scoring area. So mostly it is based on logic gates, Boolean algebra, like that. So now we have to find the logic expression for y. Yes, Samruti Shri, very fast. Yes, Durga. No, Rishita, please check. Yes, Abhay. No, Arun. Yes, Jayashri. A option is the answer. See, this is P bar. So this will be P bar plus Q whole bar. And this will be QR bar. Okay, so this one will be PR plus Q bar plus QR bar whole bar. Then for this one, it will be P bar plus Q bar plus QR bar whole bar plus S whole bar. And then a NOT gate is there. So this bar will get eliminated. Na? So see, for this one, double bar will come. Na? So these two bar will get eliminated. This. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please check Arun, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
This one. Very good. Arun. Rita, very good. Yes, Kapil. Yes, Abhay. Yes, Durga Aditya, very good. You have to find the incorrect one, okay? Kindly read the questions carefully, these kind of questions. Yes, Smriti Shri, Jashri, very good. Yes, Rishita, very good. So this one is clearly C for A. It will be P bar plus PQ is common. So P bar plus P is 1 into Q. So this one is correct. So not the option because we have to find the exact one. And when I multiply these, so this one will be P into P plus PQ plus Q bar P plus Q bar Q. And we know that Q bar Q is 0. So it will be P plus PQ plus Q bar P. So P plus Q plus Q bar P. So it will be P plus 1 into P again, P plus P, that is P. Okay. So this one is also correct. So this one is incorrect clearly. P plus PQ. So this one is wrong, huh? Because we are getting P and they are saying Q. And similarly, you can check option D also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want, I can solve for you.
No, sir.
P bar Q bar can be taken as common from first, and then you can take PQ bar common. So it will be P bar Q bar into 1, PQ bar into 1. Okay. So this one is also correct. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So you have to find the logic expression, and let me give the hint. The expression is in SOP form. For SOP form, you have to concentrate on the rows that give you 1 as output. Yes, Durga, Abhay, very good. Let us solve it on next slide. Yes, Arun. This one will give you A bar, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. This one. So I'm writing A, B bar, C bar 3 times because it can be combined with any term. Because A plus A any times it is always A. Please check. It is nothing but D option.
Yes, sir.
सर एक बार टेबल शो करना दोबारा डन
Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
B and C are identical, so that's why I have not solved C completely, as this will be identical to this step, this one. So B and C are identical, and D is totally different. So does not satisfy, means B option is the answer. Okay. This one, IIT Jam 2012. No, Arun. Yes, Rita and Arun. Yes, Aditya. I gave you the trick also in the class. Yes, Ritika. Yes, Samruti Shri. What will be the answer? What was the trick?
P plus Q.
Yes, the trick
P
was
plus Q.
plus Q. Just remove this P bar. Okay. You have to remove the variable which is occurring again in a term which contain more variables. So यहाँ पे तो एक ही वेरिएबल है, यहाँ पे दो वेरिएबल है, और दो में से रिपीट कौन सा रहा? P वाला. तो P bar को you have to remove P bar. So it will give you P plus Q. Otherwise also we can solve it completely, but that is somewhat lengthy method. Okay, so it represents OR. Okay, similarly, suppose if you get P bar plus PQ, then it will give you P bar plus Q. You have to remove this P now. Okay, so if it is P bar plus PQ bar, then it will be like P bar plus Q bar. Okay, like this. Yes, Abhay, very good. Yes, Arun. Yes, Rita. Yes, Kapil and Durga, very good. Yes, Samruti Shri. So A option is the answer. Let us see how. 1 0 1 1 have been applied. So this is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. 1 0 1 1. So clearly y3 will be 1. So this option, it got eliminated because y3 is equal to x3. Now y2 will be exclusive OR of x3 and x2, and it is 1 0. So exclusive OR of 1 and 0, it is 1. So this also got eliminated. So now I have to check the third one. If it is 1, then C is the answer, or if it is 0, then A is the answer. Now this is exclusive OR of y2 and x1, and y2 is what? 1. Exclusive OR of 1 and 1 is 0. So clearly A option is the answer, and this will be exclusive OR of y1 and x0, which is exclusive OR of 0 and 1. So this is 1. Please check. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In exclusive OR, output is 1 only when inputs are unequal. That is, one of them is 1 and other is 0. If both of them they are equal, then the output is 0. If both are 0, then output is 0. And if both are equal to 1, even then the output is 0. This one. Yes, Durga. Good. Yes, Abhay. Yes, Nishta. Okay, see. So B option is the answer. Let us try to solve it. So it will be this bar plus this bar into, sorry. It will be A bar, B bar. If this is A, this is B. So A plus B bar is A bar, B bar. So we are left with P plus Q bar into Q bar P. So it will be P Q bar P plus Q R Q bar P. So Q and Q R both are there. So it will give you 0. No? So it is P Q bar only, which is given by this circuit clearly, P Q bar. Okay. This is P Q whole bar.
Yes, sir.
And this is P plus Q into R bar. This is PQ, this is R bar. So PQ, this is totally different. No? So B is the answer. Otherwise, there was no need to check for other options until or unless it is MSQ. Very good, Jayashri. Abhay, it is partially correct. No, Samruti Shri, it is wrong. Rita partially correct. Aditya partially. Yes, Durga, very good. Yes, Abhay. So we are getting A bar plus B bar and AB bar both. Na? So B and D. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aditya, Jayashree, Arun, Abhay, Ritika. Smruti Shri, Ritika, very good. Actually, it is very, very simple question. If you see, PQ is appearing in all the terms. So if I take PQ common, then it will be 1 plus something. Na? In fact, I need not check all the terms, what is there in all the terms, because 1 plus anything, it is always 1. Na? So Z is equal to PQ. So Z bar, it will be PQ bar, which according to De Morgan law, it is P bar plus Q bar. That's it. Please check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good, Abhay. Yes, Rishita, Durga, Aditya, Jayashree, Arun, it's wrong. Yes, Smruti Shri. Yes, Rita. Okay, see. C option is the answer. In such a case, if you are doubtful, then see, we know that 0 into anything is 0. Na? So we are sure about this output, but we are not sure about this output because we don't know this input, because this depends upon this output. So whatever the value of this P is, 0 into P is 0. Na? And bar of that will be 1. Na? So I'm pretty sure that this output, it is going to be 1. It is clear? Is it clear to all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
0 into P is 0. So this will give me 1. So this eliminates 2 options. Now this 1, it will go here. 1 into 1 is 1 and bar of that will be 0. Na? So C option is the answer. So always calculate the output corresponding to this size, which includes one of the input as 0. Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This one. So you can see a lot of questions are there. 2000 pages. Simple question. Let us suppose the output is named as Y. Yes, Abhay, Rita. Yes, Aditya. Yes, Rishita. Yes, Durga. So twice A bar B bar is appearing, so it will be A bar B bar only. And according to De Morgan law, which is A plus B bar. Please check. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I have discussed all the detailed questions. 2019. Yes, Durga. Yes, Abhay. Yes, Rishita. So this is the answer. Let us see. sorry, let us see how. So it will be xy. This will be y plus z x. So this is x into y plus z. So y into y plus z. So output will be xy plus xy plus z plus y plus z.
सर जो बीच वाले का आउटपुट तो आ ही नहीं रहा
बीच वाले का
आउटपुट x into y plus z
कनेक्ट कर लो ना, वो तो बाय मिस्टेक वो कनेक्शन उनसे रह गया। ये लीजिए, तो xy plus xz plus y plus yz, xy plus xz, so y comma x plus 1 plus z plus xz. So this is y into 1 because 1 plus anything is 1 na? So y plus xz, B option, please check. Clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
You can see a lot of questions, they are based on Boolean algebra. Easy one. And this is clearly 1 na, q plus q bar, everyone knows. So you just have to multiply these two. You can leave this because this is 1 na. Yes, Rita, Yashri, Kabe, Aditya. Samruti Shri, Arun, Durga. Rishika, Ritika. So B option is the answer. So it will be PQ bar, P bar plus Q into 1 first of all. So it will be P bar plus Q bar. So P bar can be taken as common. 1 plus anything is 1. Please check.
Yes, sir.
Last question from electronics part. So Boolean gates and the corresponding timing diagram they are given. So we have to find which of the following is R2, means it is multi-select. Try to identify the problem. So 2 is invert of 1. So this one is correct because this is operated by NOT gate. Okay. And then 4 and 2, they will become input of AND gate. So 5 should be 1 only when 2 and 4 both are 1. Let us check. So here in this much area, 2 and 4 simultaneously they are 1. Okay. So this one is faulty. This one is wrong. This is not giving you the indicated output. So what is the problem then? It gives you.
ये ऐड हो रहा है ना
It acts like an OR gate.
हाँ मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, एंड का ऑपरेशन नहीं दे रहा तो ये आपको कौन सा ऑपरेशन दे रहा है, दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई। ये आपको और यस और दिया है। तो ये फिफ्थ वाला ये जो गेट है ये एंड गेट फॉल्टी है और ये और की तरह काम कर रहा है, तो दिस इज दी ऑप्शन। क्लियर टू ऑल? So
Yes,
we
sir.
step by step.
Yes, sir.
So first we check this NOT gate and then this and it came out to be faulty, and from by looking at the waveforms we concluded that 5 is the result of OR between 2 and 4 because it is giving you 1 when either of them is 1. See here, this was 1 and this has become 1, and then this was 1 and then this was 1. Okay, so OR operation. And 7 is also again it is correct because it is invert of the 5, so only this one is faulty. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this was the electronics part, and now let us see solid state physics. So in solid state physics, first of all, you need to remember those for simple cubic, body centered, face centered cubic, we calculated various quantities, edge length, number of nearest neighbor, packing fraction, first nearest neighbor, second nearest neighbor, third nearest neighbor, and how many previous lattices are there in 2D, 3D, their name, relation between alpha, beta, gamma, ABC, and all, and of course different structures like sodium chloride, diamond cubic, zinc blend, okay, and of course packing fraction of different structures, and okay. So a lot of cramming will be there as far as solid state physics.
And effective mass of the electron.
Yes, of course, that one also. Because it is not possible to discuss each and everything again in this short span of time. So that's why I'm telling you. So here are some of the questions from Iit Jam. I hope they will definitely help you. The ratio of second nearest neighbor, second neighbor distance This one. Very good, Durga. Very good, Rita. What is the first nearest neighbor distance in FCC?
Root 2a by 2.
Yes. Or either you can write a by root 2. And second nearest neighbor distance?
A.
A. So their ratio is a by root 2, which is root 2. This is the answer. D option. Please check. Clear? Please check.
Yes, sir.
Let me check more questions from actually. Which of the following statements is correct for NaCl crystal structure? It is simple cubic lattice with one atom basis. Yes, Durga. Very, very fast and correct. Yes, sir. And what are those two atoms that you are talking about? Yes, Rita. One is sodium and other is chlorine.
Chloride.
Yeah, if we talk about ion, then sodium ion and chloride ion. One each. Okay. So D option is correct. It is face centered with two atom bases. Yes, Rita, very good. Yes, Jashri, Arun, very good. Yes, Rishita, Wakadal. So I have solved it. So you just need to remember this expression for the effective mass. It is h cross square by d2e by dk square. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it is regarding the Fermi energy. What is the formula? 3 pi square n, where n is the number density. So rest everything is constant, so it is proportional to n power 2 by 3. So EF2 by EF1, n2 by n1 power 2 by 3. And what is n2? It is 6% higher. Here the word should be electron density. 6% higher means n plus 6 by 100 n1 by n1. So it is 1.06 n1. Na? Okay. So how much? Otherwise, what you can do is it is 1.06 raised to power 2 by 3 EF1. EF1 is 5 electron volt. How much? Is it 5.2? So B option is the answer. Please check. Clear? Yes, Rita, Durga, Arun. B311. First of all, you need to calculate this. A by root 11. Yes, Rishita, Ritika. So now we know that 2d sine theta equal to n lambda. First order, so it is 2 into A by root 11 sine 30 equal to 1 angstrom. So lattice parameter means A. So it is 2A by root 11 into 1 by 2. So A is root 11 angstrom. Please check everyone. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So you have to tell which plot belong to which material. Yes, Rishita, Durga. clearly this one is for ferromagnet. This one is for diamagnet, and this one is for paramagnet. So B option is the answer. No, Ritika, Abhay, Arun, it's wrong. Please check. This is for ferromagnet, not this one. And what is the relation? This says chi is C by T, and this says chi is C by T minus Tc. And it is independent of temperature. Chi is independent of temperature. That is the indication of diamagnet. Okay? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Again, 2D sin theta equal to n lambda. Yes, Rita Durga. Yes, Jashri, Abhay, Rishita. Yes, Ritika. How much for sin theta?
Half 1/2.
1 by 2. So it will be sin inverse 1 by 2, that is 30 degrees. So B option. Please check everyone. Lot of questions are there from X-ray definition. Done?
Yes, sir.
So this one is a tricky and very good question. Yes, Durga. So initially the structure was FCC, and then it becomes orthorhombic when it was cooled. So as a result, the 311 line of XRD pattern will split into how many lines? So it is all about DHKL. For FCC, DHKL is A by H square plus K square plus L square. So this was one line corresponding to this. But for orthorhombic, this. So you can see in FCC corresponding to 311, 131, 113, we are having same DHKL, but here it will be different because ABC they will not be same. Na? If I find it for 311, then one value is there for DHKL. If I find it for 131, then another value, for 113, another value. So three different values are there, and corresponding to that, three different thetas will be there because 2D sine theta equal to n lambda. So one line will split up into triplet. Please check everyone. Is it clear or any doubt?
So can you explain again?
See, if you start putting HKL, actually this 311 means all sort of planes. Na? Here H is 3, K is 1, L is 1. Okay, so you don't know the values of A, B, C, but it is orthonomic, so they are unequal. And then, secondly, if you put this and then this, there will be three different values of DHKL na, for this case, but there will be only one value for this case because A is same all the time, and this H square plus K square plus L square will be 11. Doesn't matter in which order you are substituting them. So here you are having one value, here three values. So it means one peak will split up into three peaks. Na?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Means there will be three peaks at three different positions, that is three different theta locations, because three different D's means three different thetas. Very good, Durga Rita. See again D110 A by root 2. So 2D sine theta equal to n lambda. First order. So 2 into A by root 2 sine theta 1 into 1.54. So sine theta is root 2 into 1.54 by 2A, and that is constant, that is A is given to be. So this is double of this now. So this is 1 by 2 root 2. So this gives theta as. Please check everyone. So you can see a lot of questions are there. The fraction of volume. Fraction of volume unoccupied. Okay, so be careful. So now you need to remember the formula as well. That is the problem. So this is the packing fraction. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So 1 minus this will be, we need to calculate the volume. So this will be the occupied volume. Let me tell you. How many atoms per unit cell are there in BCC? 2. No? What is the volume of each atom? This. So volume occupied by atoms. Two into 4 by 3 pi r cube, and A is what? What is R? How is R related to A?
4 A equal to 4R by root 3.
Yes, so it will be root 3 A by 4. So please calculate this volume. So this is root 3 pi by 8 A cube. No? So volume unoccupied. How much? It will be A cube minus root 3 pi by 8 A cube. So fraction of volume unoccupied. It will be A cube 1 minus root 3 pi by 8 by A cube. No? These two will get cancelled. So it will be 8 minus root 3 pi by 8. Otherwise, you can do it directly from the packing fraction. Okay, 1 minus packing fraction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So that's all for today, students. So we will continue tomorrow. Okay, bye bye. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.